How are massive parade floats engineered and constructed? Imagine a parade where giant, colorful floats glide down the street, capturing everyone's attention. Have you ever wondered how these enormous moving works of art are built? Let's take a closer look at the process behind creating these spectacular floats. It all starts with a sturdy base, usually a flatbed trailer with four wheels. The trailer size typically ranges from about 7 to 8 feet wide and 14 to 24 feet long. This base must be strong enough to support the weight of the entire float and all its decorations. Builders reinforce the trailer frame with wooden beams called stringers and spreaders. These are usually 2x10 or 2x12 inches thick and help add extra support. They are nailed or bolted onto the trailer to create a solid platform. Next, a deck made from plywood is added on top. This smooth surface provides a foundation for props, decorations, and the float riders. The sides of the float are built with wooden skirts attached using brackets, leaving space underneath four wheels and clearance. The external design begins once the structure is ready. Artists and builders craft shapes, curves, and designs that hide the underlying framework. For very large or complex floats, welded steel frameworks might be used to support moving parts or mechanical features. Safety is a big concern, so engineers carefully consider the weight distribution and balance of the entire float. Decoration is a major part of the process. The float is covered with colorful materials like floral sheeting, tissue paper, fringe, pom-poms, and fresh flowers. For famous parades like the Rose Parade, fresh flowers are added last to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. Decorating can take thousands of hours, often involving many volunteers and artisans. They plan the decorations to match cultural themes or family customs, making each float a moving story. Practical details also matter. The tow vehicle is usually smaller and decorated to match the float's theme. Construction often takes weeks or even months, with work done in a dedicated workshop or warehouse. Building these floats is a community effort that brings people together. It showcases artistic skills, cultural traditions, and community pride. The craftsmanship involved helps preserve customs and tells stories that celebrate shared history. From the sturdy base to the final flourish of flowers, every part of a parade float is carefully designed and built to dazzle crowds and honor traditions.